Hello everyone, welcome to RK Digital School. In the last lecture, we discussed the Open AI models and we discussed GPT-3, Codex and Daily. Now in this lecture, we are going to discuss temperature, token and prompts. So prompts, tokens and temperature, these three keywords are more related to each other. Okay. So what is prompts? Prompts are instruction on how you program the model. These language models are heavily depend upon the reacting to good prompts. So it mainly depend upon the what you are writing prompts, and that ChatGPT 3 model is respond according to your prompts. So I will show you some examples. So suppose I have written one prompt, what is physics? Let's see the output, how ChatGPT model is responding. Okay, so I have asked what is physics. So you given classical physics, electromagnetic physics, thermodynamics and quantum physics, and then lots of like modules they have given, right? Now I'm going to ask like be specific. So if you ask here what is physics, so here given is a thermodynamics. Okay, it's the only the three lines, right? Now I'm going to ask what is quantum physics. Okay, so what I have done in the prompt, what is quantum physics, and see I have written a wrong spelling in physics and still it's responding, right? So when I ask be specific as a quantum physics, so it will give the only regarding about the quantum physics, right? So if I want to go be more specific like quantum tunneling, it will give the more specific uh, result about quantum tunneling, right? Understand, right? Now we will move to the like tokens, right? So what is tokens? Tokens are currency on OpenAI GPT models. Okay? When the model process your text or prompt by breaking it down into a smaller units called as token. So suppose if you have written what is physics, what is quantum physics, so each and every words it will break in the one token, and it's like denoted as one number. So token can be as short as one character or as long as one words. One token is approximately 4 characters and 75 words is equal to 100 tokens. I will show you some example. So I have written one prompt is I enjoy to play cricket. Okay, so how it's generated the token? So I is the one token, enjoy is the one token, two is the one token, play is the one token, and cricket is the one token. The same as ChatGPT. I have written another prompt. ChatGPT could provide the best business suggestions. So ChatGPT is the one prompt, good is one prompt, new is one prompt, provided is one prompt. So the token is as long as one words or as short as one characters. Understood? I will move to the temperature, right? So what is temperature? Temperature is a parameter that controls the randomness of the model output during text generation. What it means? So when you return any prompt and if you pass the temperature is 1 and above, so same prompt if you hit as a multiple time, it will give the every time is a different results. Okay? So a higher temperature such as 1 or higher makes the output more diverse and creative. It allows the model to expose the wide range of possible words. Understood, right? So suppose if you go where temperature is low, a low temperature means if you are passing any prompt and you are passing as a temperature is 0.1 or less than 1, so every time it will give the repeated output, and is like every time it will give the repeated output and a structured output. Okay? Understood, right? If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in the next lecture.